As the Twin Counties of Nash and Edgecombe pursue opportunities to grow business and spur development, CSX is excited to work with local partners to help shape the future of the region. Alongside the Carolinas Gateway Partnership and the state of North Carolina, CSX is proud to announce Rocky Mount as the home of the Carolina Connector Intermodal Rail Terminal. On a daily basis, trains efficiently move everything from food to furniture to appliances across this nation. But these goods still have to be transported from the train to their final destinations. That's where an intermodal terminal comes into play. At intermodal terminals, freight containers carrying consumer goods are transferred between different modes of transportation. For example, moving a container from a freight train to a truck, so it can be delivered those last few miles to a distribution center or shopping mall. Intermodal transportation leverages the benefits of each mode, trains, trucks, and often cargo ships, to move products to consumers more efficiently, more cost-effectively, and in a more environmentally responsible manner. The economic benefits of the CCX terminal will start in Rocky Mount, extend to the Twin Counties, and ripple throughout the state. As a transformational infrastructure project, CCX will spur short and long-term job creation. The terminal will provide employment opportunities from management roles to equipment operators to truck drivers. Permanent CSX positions at the terminal will pay average salaries of $60,000 per year. CCX will also decrease shipping costs for manufacturers and distributors in the region, creating a distinct competitive advantage for North Carolina businesses. As seen in other areas of the CSX network, intermodal terminals have an economic multiplier effect by attracting, supporting, and complementary businesses and stimulating long-term economic growth. Across the state, CCX is expected to generate up to $310 million in economic benefits over time. It is estimated that $125 million will be added to North Carolina's economy through spending by employees, vendors, suppliers, and others that directly and indirectly support the operations of the terminal. On the jobs front, this project will create 250 to 300 construction jobs and another 300 jobs related to terminal operations when complete. Ultimately, CCX is expected to generate more than 1,500 statewide jobs over time. CSX is committed to environmentally responsible operations and being a good neighbor to the communities we serve. The CCX Intermodal Terminal will use state-of-the-art sustainable technology, including near-silent cranes and directional lighting, to minimize the impact of terminal operations on the surrounding area. It will also significantly reduce highway congestion and emissions. By shifting freight from trucks to trains, CCX will eliminate 16 million truck miles each year. That has the added benefit of lowering carbon dioxide emissions in the state by 655,000 tons, the equivalent of taking more than 138,000 vehicles off the road per year. Commuters will benefit from fewer trucks on the road, too. One intermodal train can carry the load of 280 trucks, freeing up our roadways from traffic congestion and improving road safety. Fewer vehicles on North Carolina's roads not only make commuting faster and safer, it also helps preserve the condition of major thoroughfares like I-95, I-40, and I-85. In fact, shifting freight to intermodal rail service is estimated to reduce state highway maintenance costs by $16 million. Since 1840, trains have been an integral part of the Rocky Mount community, helping to move locally produced goods and create jobs. CSX already employs 150 people in its existing Rocky Mount rail yard, which processes a wide variety of bulk and commodity shipments, including grain, metals, and phosphates for local industries. CSX is excited to build upon our already strong partnership with Rocky Mount, the Twin Counties, and the state of North Carolina to develop a new state-of-the-art terminal that enhances the community and spurs development of new opportunities. CSX is committed to completing this project the right way, safely, efficiently, and in a manner that respects our neighbors, addresses concerns, and keeps the lines of communications open. As with all CSX projects, community involvement is critical as we plan for CCX. Throughout this process, we will host community meetings to listen to citizens' input and answer their questions about the project, and will provide frequent updates and ongoing information as the project progresses. We are committed to working with Rocky Mount officials and community leaders to ensure the development is positive for the local community and economy. Robust transportation infrastructure investments like CCX set the stage to create jobs, attract new businesses, and stimulate long-term, sustainable economic growth for the region and the state. CSX has a strong track record of investing in and actively partnering with communities where our employees live and work, and we look forward to further strengthening our long-standing relationship with this region. Working together will help create a brighter tomorrow for Rocky Mount, the Twin Counties, and the Tar Heels State. For more info, or to contact CSX about the project, go to csx.com/Carolina Intermodal.